Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today we're diving into the world of words with a B1 level noun, the word channel. A channel means a path for water or communication. So, a channel is like a way for something to move along, whether it's a river flowing or information traveling. You might hear of a river channel or a television channel. Now, let's explore some synonyms. We have passage. For example, the ship navigated the narrow passage. Another synonym is route, like in the mail followed a specific route. And consider the word conduit, like in the pipe served as a conduit for the water. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. Instead of a path, we could say blockage, as in the debris created a blockage in the pipe. Another contrasting word is obstruction, like the fallen tree was an obstruction on the road. And how about the word barrier, for example, the wall served as a barrier between the gardens. How do we use channel in daily life? Well, you might say, change the channel when watching TV. Someone might ask, what's your favorite news channel? Or, the stream flowed along a natural channel. Here are a few more examples. The channel of communication was clear, or the water flowed through the irrigation channel. We need to find a way to channel our energy into this project, or the information was channeled to the correct department. Today, we've learned that channel is a path, be it for water or communication, and we've explored its synonyms and antonyms. Thanks so much for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using channel and share it as a comment below the video.